What is up, guys? It's Brandon and I'm back with another accounting video today. And today's topic is going to be on the FAR portion of the CPA exam, specifically the bank reconciliation simulations. So bank reconciliations can make for a very good sim question on the exam. Today I'm just going to kind of go over exactly how to solve these questions if you do happen to get this on your test. Bank reconciliations can really be a big part of your duties as a staff accountant in the corporate environment. So if you're a staff accountant, there's a very high possibility that every month when you do the financial statements, you will be doing a bank reconciliation for your company. So it could be depending if you have clients or just depending if you are in the corporate side of the company. But yeah, bank reconciliation is basically matching the bank statement balance over to what's in your accounting software balance. So say you have QuickBooks or something, you'll pretty much match the two software and the bank statement so that everything ties, and pretty much that will go in your financial statement. Just kind of go through some simulations regarding the bank reconciliation, and I'll just explain exactly what the differences are and exactly the steps in order to successfully reconcile the bank statement to your accounting software. All right, so let's get to it. So today we're just going to go through this bank reconciliation simulation that's in Becker. So pretty much this is a very good question in my opinion. Bank reconciliations can be a very good simulation, so there's a very high chance that you could get a question like this. So yeah, pretty much what you want to do is look at the starting balances of the bank and the books, and pretty much then we're just going to go through all of the different documents and make adjustments. So sometimes it could be due to timing and sometimes there could be errors, but for the most part, yeah, you will be able to find everything in the documents. So pretty much here we're going to look at this notice of a dishonored check. So this means that the check, $12.99 in the amount of $5,300, basically bounced. So pretty much when you went to the bank, it didn't go through, and you're pretty much gonna lose $5,300 on your book. So you recorded it like you received the check, but now you have to record it like you didn't even receive the check. So pretty much you're gonna subtract this $5,300 from your book balance, and you're also charged a service charge of $25 because of this bounce check, insufficient funds, NSF. So yeah, sorry. For my highlights, this is pretty much what I like to look at when I go through the simulations. You like to highlight all of the numbers and any information you might need. So here on this email from the AP manager, pretty much you had this check that was recorded for 9812, and then it was actually lower than that amount. So you're going to add $594 back to your book balance. Alright, so now let's go to the next one. So other information, so yeah, pretty much you're going to go through each bullet point and then make the adjustments. So you had a customer deposit of $75,720, so pretty much you're going to go and add this $75,720 to your book balance. And then you have this check, $13,0302, that was voided, which means that pretty much you're going to add back this money because you wrote a check for them for that amount, but then it actually ended up being voided, which means that you can add that money back to your book balance. So 376. All right, so then you have two bank advices, collection of note receivable, so it means you can add $43.50 to your book balance because you received this money. And there was also a service fee of $50, which means that you're going to have to deduct $50 from your book balance. So 50 bucks. All right. So now we can go through the general ledger and the bank statements and make adjustments to the bank statement balance. So pretty much what I like to do is compare the two sides. So pretty much you want to go from the bank statement and then look at your general ledger, make sure all the numbers in your bank statement are on the general ledger. So pretty much you're going to go check each one of them. The 4,350, remember, was what we made an adjustment to earlier. 8,800 is here, okay. So the 92812, we're just going to go through all of the, make sure that everything is there. I remember the 13,476, we also made an adjustment earlier. So that all of those are in our book balance, and they're all are on the bank statement side. So now we have to do these two checks, these checks 10304 and 10305. We're gonna have to deduct them on our bank statement because we cut these checks but they didn't hit the bank yet, but we have to make it match. So let's do the deductions for it on our bank statement balance. 12 3 4 2, and then check 10 305 5849. All right, and then we also had a customer deposit of 5480 that we have to record because that wasn't on our deposits on our bank statement. So we're gonna have to do that. It's called like a deposit transit. So pretty much we're gonna have to do the customer checks for 1230 for 5480. All right, so that's pretty much everything on the general ledger and the bank statement are matching, except our two balances are still off. But remember, we had a customer deposit of 75,720 on December 31, which means that the deposit probably did not hit the bank yet. So now we have to do customer checks 1231, and this is also a deposit in transit. So pretty much once we add this, we should balance at 340 372. So everything is green, so we pretty much did the simulation correct. So yeah, pretty much for these bank reconciliation sims, you just have to go through each document, make sure you know if there's a bank error, where you're gonna fix it. If there's a book error, you're gonna fix it. If there's deposit in transit, insufficient funds, pretty much this is what you will see on a bank reconciliation sim. So if you can do this question, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do it on the actual test. Alright, so that concludes today's video, guys. Hope you guys were able to learn on a little bit more about how to do a bank reconciliation simulation. Just in case it is on your FAR exam, it's a very good simulation in my opinion, that if I was a test person, I would definitely test the CPA candidates. So definitely make sure that you guys know how to do this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.